Good morning. It is April 9th. Today is your last day of school for a little while. We're going to be starting spring break. So you'll see on your screen that obviously I want you to have an amazing spring break, have a great spring break. We all need a break. Teachers included, parents included, kids included. So everybody needs a break. Get some much needed rest, relaxation, get some fresh air. Hopefully the weather will cooperate and you'll be able to get outside and get some fresh air and get some of that energy out. To start the fourth marking period on a positive note, you'll see that I have all of the assignments so far from March 31st on. These assignments all count towards your fourth marking period grade. So it would be great if when you return to our classes on the 20th that you are up to date, clean slate, do some spring cleaning, haha, that you just start fresh, okay, on the 20th. So if you don't have any of these done, please try and get them done. They all were assigned this past week or last week after you did make some makeup work. The only new thing that I'm assigning today, which some of you have already handed in, is your current event number 1 for the fourth marking period. All of these, it specifies the date. This is the date that it was on Google Classroom. So if you need to go back and watch videos, these are the dates that these assignments were given out. And then in parentheses, it tells you where the assignment is. Is this on iQuest? It's a Google form on the classwork tab. It's on the classwork tab. It was assigned on 3/26. This was your types of energy slideshow that was due yesterday. Get it to me ASAP. I'm not taking points off for it being late, but I do need it so that way I can get the grade in there. The other ones are on iQuest, and then there's going to be a new classwork tab for your current event for the fourth marking period. Okay, I've noticed by some of your questions that you're asking me that you are not watching my videos. Some of you are like, I don't have the materials to do this lab. Watch the videos. I demo the lab. I tell you, skip question 2. Don't do the diagram. Don't do this or do that. So please start watching the videos. It will make your life a lot easier, I promise. Okay? The packets that I sent home, do not do them. I've said that in several videos, and I've even put it in the instructions or in my post on Google Classroom, and I'm still getting kids sending me pictures and pictures and pictures of these packets. When I assign one of those readings, okay, like on here, I assigned lesson 19, how does energy change form? I made a Google form on the classwork tab for you to complete. You don't have to answer all the questions in the packet. Okay, you're just doing the Google form on the classwork tab. Okay, if you can't find your packets, I read them to you in the video. I read the packet, I read the reading portion. I also take pictures of the packet and post it, like the pages that have the information to help you answer the questions. Okay, so do not do the packets. Okay, watch my videos and everything will be okay. All right, we're getting through this. We're plugging along. We got this. All right, so get some much needed rest and get out and enjoy the weather. I know we were playing hockey in the driveway, and then I laid in my hammock for like an hour, which was amazing. So just enjoy this time, this downtime, this family time. I know it stinks not seeing friends. My dad came to see me the other day from his car in the driveway. I was a little emotional because, I couldn't kiss him, I couldn't hug him, but we're going to get through this and we'll come away from this stronger than ever. All right. So happy spring break. Get your work done, get up to date so that way when we start on the 20th, we are good to go and you're starting off the fourth marking period on a very positive note. All right. So I miss you guys. Stay strong, stay smart, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay. I'll see you when we come back on the 20th.